Minister of Heritage and Tourism in Oman, Salem bin Mohammed.
Thank you so much for joining us here at the UN Tourism 26th General Assembly. First of all, Minister, a few reflections so far.
I'm excited and happy to see all stakeholders are here. Issues and matters are being debated of critical importance. We do hope that we will be able to build on what has been agreed upon in order to build a sector that is resilient and sustainable, that benefit local communities, at the same time creating job opportunities and sustain cultural and natural heritage.
And the eyes of the world are very much on the GCC now. Oman playing a huge role on that. Tell me a little bit about sort of how you see Oman's role in the next chapter for UN tourism.
Well, there's a good reason why the focus is on the GCC. There's a huge investment that are taking place. I think we are in a position now to present ourselves as a unified bloc within global tourism. In Oman, again, we are blessed with the strategic location, a very rich history, stability, and hospitable people. And we have signature experiences that can be presented to a visitor. All those elements are assets that should be valorized, and that is my job to do so.
And as we look forward to the next 50 years, what is the one thing that you aspire and hope for?
Well, I would like to see tourism as a major sector that provide young generation with more broader perspective. Tourism is a bridge that links Oman with the rest of the world. It's a tool, a very important one that can be beneficial to human being, and this applies to the rest of communities, not only in Oman.